What's up, guys? BVR GT here, and today I'm gonna be doing another challenge Baboon VR did. So he did a challenge where you have to make it to cafeteria, pool rooms, and city, but you have no volume. So on the VR, you have to put your volume down all the way. So I'm going to take off the tracker because it'd kind of be cheating, because then I'll still know where the monsters are, even without them. So let me just take it off. There we go. Now I don't have a tracker. And let's get straight into the video. So I'm going to turn down the volume all the way. Okay, I hope you guys can still hear me, but I can't even hear the video. So, just like Baboon VR said, hopefully no one curses. And here we go. It's gonna be hard. I'm lagging a little.
Everybody want to get a new
J-Man, I'm gonna touch the J-Man curly picture for good luck. I didn't hear it, but let's go. Please tell me there's no monsters. Please. Crap, bro, I'm lagging. Okay. Alright, I made it to city. Alright, so that's the first area completed. Now, next, I'm gonna go to, cafeteria, which is up here. Oh crap. Please. Okay, I made it. I made it to cafeteria. I'm actually speedrunning this, bro. I actually might complete this first try without dying. Okay. Now I just gotta make it a pool room. Or should I say pool rooms? Not pool room. Okay. This is actually hard. It's a hard challenge. Okay. Now I just gotta make it to pool room. That's my last life. Or now I'm on my last life, I should say. Oh, I gotta play this carefully. Especially because I'm lagging, bro. It's gonna be hard. Especially because I have no sound. I can't hear anything. It's like I'm deaf. Okay, I'm going.
Somebody press the button.
Okay. I'm scared. Go. Open. Okay. Close the door. Go. Please. Okay.
Oh my god, bro.
Wall bounds. Normally there would be monsters over here. Yep. There's people dying. I'm cooked. I'm like legitimately cooked. I made it! Let's go! I did the challenge. Okay, I'm gonna tag Botboy VR. And Botboy, if you comment on my video, again, I'm gonna heart it. Because not a lot of famous YouTubers comment on my videos. Botboy VR is like the only famous person that actually commented on my video. Okay, I actually have another challenge that's gonna be kind of difficult. I gotta make it back to spawn without dying. But if I die, it still won't count because I already did the challenge. Oh, and yep.
Hey, Tommy! Stop
Oh, I thought I was getting chased. It was just the monster through the wall. Okay. Please be no monsters. Why is it not open? Okay, I could die here. Alright. Alright, I'm gonna turn up my volume again. Alright, well, if you guys enjoyed that video, please, drop a like and subscribe. I kind of want to do the thing Bob Boy did too. Comment another challenge I should do that, but different than Bob Boy's, because I don't just want to copy everything he does. That's not how YouTube works. You don't just copy everything. But yeah, comment below what challenge I should do next, and I'll see you in the next video.